I don't like drama.
This passenger thought he could argue with the entire plane. Moments later, police arrived, and his trip ended before it even began.
I don't have to get off. See how it is? See how it works? That's fine. You see how it works? I know how it works. Yeah. So that's how it works. That's how it works. You show me this much hate against one individual human, I will universally, karmically mess you up. So show me the badge if you want me off. No, you have to show me the name. Oh, you're lying, dude. So I can sit right back there.
Do you have a bag you want to grab or anything before you get off?
Don't attack me with two individuals against one. I'll see about it with you. With what? You as a human, and it's because I'm sitting down and I'm lower than you. Yeah, I'm sitting down and because I'm sitting down and lower. You want to be a tough guy, bro? Get off of the plane. I'm moving. Hey, you know what and stuff? No, it's all you're all teaming up. You see how most of the people are white here? Yeah. So you were like.
Get him off the plane, Jesus God!
I'm trying to get to my home country, and you all people made it harder for me to get to my home country.
Up to the front, yeah, go upstairs. Come on.
Hold on, let me
These are the big guys.
Hey.
Okay.
Come on. Let's go.
Are you gonna chuck me?
No, we're not gonna have that fight. We're gonna go here.
Hey, I didn't get in your face.
Daniel,
you told me to get out. I have a ticket. Yeah, I have a ticket.
Let's go.
Go ahead.
No.
Cuz.
Hey, he's gonna go.
You talked to me first.
311.
You took me first.
No, let's go. Okay. 311. Police emergency. 311. Whoa. Hey. Right now.
You got it, cuz? You got it?
All right, guys.
Now, put your hands down and don't touch anybody. Put your hands down and don't touch anybody. So am I. Walk. Turn around and walk.
Let's go.
Turn around and walk.
Thank you, guys.
Turn around and walk. Walk.
I need airport
So am I. Walk.
I need airport
Walk. Let's go.
Everybody out of the way! Please! Oh my God, I've never seen this in my...
As multiple passengers unite to get the man off the plane, officers arrive right as they get him off onto the jet bridge.
Have fun, he's a
Have fun with them, yeah.
Thank you for coming.
Good.
Police are here, so just comply and we'll work out, all right, my man?
As long as there's a lawyer for me.
You'll definitely be legal, sis. Legal act.
All right. Hey, stand up. Go over. You can help me. Come over. Get up. Let's go.
Make way.
For innocent civilian. I'll remember this.
Hi. Sorry, we can't step off. Do you want to step off?
No, it doesn't matter. So what exactly happened?
So we were standing here boarding. We started to hear yelling down the jet bridge. We can't step off once we have passengers on. So people were like, hey, that guy's screaming back there. He's yelling curse words. He's yelling at some lady, blah, blah, blah. Comes on, angry, gets
We don't know who this person is.
Yeah.
Go. Get out.
Go, get out of the way.
Get out of the way.
Move. Hold on. Put your shoe on. Lean against the wall. Spread your feet. I want my public defender right now. I
I said, what? I go, what is this about? Now we're figuring out who it is.
Yeah.
It's always the problem. They treat me differently. They look at me. People with skin like you. Your kind of skin. And then he points to the gap, but then your skin. He's pointing to the top of it. He goes, it's always you that look at me funny, and you this and you that. And then he turned the corner, he goes, and they tell me, they just assume that this is my father.
So how do you know him?
He's my son.
Okay. Do you know what was going on with him? Do you know why he was so angry?
I have no idea when we entered.
Were you on the plane with him or not?
I was together.
Okay.
All the way.
So can you tell me what happened?
We went inside. Somehow on the back, something. They talked about it.
Talked about what?
How can I say it? Maybe something related to racism or something.
Oh, directed toward him?
Something like that. He must have heard about it, and then he just got into argument.
Okay.
And then he went inside, and then again he got into argument with somebody on the same issue, and then...
Were you with him when this happened?
All the time.
Okay.
Guys, hey,
You resist, man. It's gonna get worse.
I'm not even resisting, man. This was my parents' idea of moving me, you know that, right? I told them I would love to, and now this is what your airport does? I'm taking you to the Supreme Court. Taking you all cops to the Supreme Court.
Face the wall. Face the wall. Spread your feet.
Guys.
Spread your feet.
I'm spreading it, guys.
More.
I'm spreading it. I'm spreading it.
And so I didn't think the guy was with him. The guy that's supposedly his father. And he walked away from his dad and just beelined up the... It was the weirdest thing. So now passengers are coming over after him going, he's not well. Something's wrong with him.
Yeah, he just cursed
So now,
jumbled all the way up the aisle to row 30.
I don't know how we got past the gate.
Right, let's walk nicely, okay?
I thought this is freedom of speech. Freedom of speech country.
You got a few drinks? Okay. Alright. Has this happened before?
Never.
Never? Okay. So he was causing a ruckus over here, right?
Yeah, he made it all the way back, just kind of screaming and yelling, and then I was like, all right, I'm gonna go ask him to get off.
Yeah.
I got back there, and he was already in his seat. But once I got back there, people were already starting to record, because the whole time he was getting into his seat and he was yelling and cursing.
He stood in this area for about 20 seconds. At that point, it was like, you gotta get off. Yelling and saying, people with skin like me. Back there is when the altercation started. These people are restraining him to get him.
So you have a California driver's license, but your address is on the
Is in Florida. Is in Florida.
But you have a California driver's license.
That's right, and I'm also a USA naturalized citizen.
So do you
and will you add that part? Will you add that part? Will you say?
Do you live in California or do you?
No. The address says Florida on it. Read it right. Read it the right way.
The man brought him at that point was like, you gotta get off. Like, he's a bigger guy.
So he came off willingly?
They dragged him up the aisle.
They got physical in the aisle, yelling.
He is being arrested right now for battering because he did strike somebody in here. And they're taking his stuff off the plane and they're going to put it in baggage here, okay, at the airport here. So when he gets out of jail, he can come get his stuff at the baggage office if it's open. Because I understand this is an international flight, is that right?
Yeah.
Do you have a driver's license? Thank you for clearing that up. It's good to know a little bit more to the story.
Yeah, but he didn't hit the person first. The person actually pushed him first.
Well, they asked him to leave. They asked him to leave numerous times on the plane.
Yeah, that is that also.
Because he was yelling and screaming, and he wouldn't leave. And they asked the captain, and the gentleman on the jet bridge went on and asked him to leave as well. He wouldn't leave, so they had to escort him off. And that's when it got physical.
Yeah. Other passenger hit him first.
I got hit by one of those air guests on the airplane.
Basically, the guy that got arrested, he said they were judging him based on how he looked. He was getting loud and pointing. He sat down, he was still yelling. They asked him to leave, he wouldn't leave. 3 or 4 times they asked him.
I want to check his feet first. Yeah. Make sure there's nothing in his socks.
Pull off your shoes.
Forward. Kick your shoes off. Kick your shoes off.
Yeah, I will if you let it go.
Take off your shoes.
The other one.
I got it.
Send this leg back. Put your shoe back on.
Are you still flying?
I have to at least see what happens to him.
He's going to jail. You could try to bail him out, post bond. You could call a bondsman, a bail bondsman. You know how that works? Do you know how that works? How bail bondsman? He's going to go to jail. He has to bond out of jail if he wants to get out. And somebody has to pay money to make sure that he goes to court. In the future, he could post his own bond or you can do it for him.
So I'm going to be putting your statements in the report, but we are going to need you to still fill something out. I'll email it to you guys. Right now, to do the report and to do the charges, we can go by just what you said on my Bodycam, but eventually to bring this in court, we're going to need you to fill out the paperwork. So I'm going to email it to all of you guys, okay? So let your other, coworker know, and then the gentleman too. Okay? I'm glad they're all top.
That's my ticket too. I'm not losing that ticket. Get that ticket back.
What should have been a normal departure quickly became a nightmare for everyone on board. As passengers settled into their seats, one man began arguing loudly with the people around him. His behavior grew more aggressive by the minute, making everyone increasingly uncomfortable. He repeatedly claimed he was being treated unfairly because of his race, insisting that the passengers and crew were working against him. Despite several calm attempts by the flight crew to de-escalate the situation, the man refused to cooperate. The captain personally approached him and explained that he needed to leave the aircraft. Instead of listening, he challenged the crew, argued with the captain, and demanded identification from everyone speaking to him. Every request to exit the plane was met with another argument, causing the entire boarding process to come to a standstill. As tensions rose, nearby passengers became frustrated. Some tried to calm him down, while others simply wanted the flight to continue. A flight attendant made one final attempt to convince him to leave peacefully, but he continued shouting and insisted that he had done nothing wrong. The atmosphere inside the cabin became increasingly tense as people worried about what might happen next. Airport police soon arrived at the aircraft. Even then, officers gave the man multiple opportunities to cooperate voluntarily. Instead, he continued arguing, accused the officers of discrimination, and refused to follow simple instructions. Eventually, officers escorted him off the aircraft while several passengers watched in disbelief. The investigation later revealed that witnesses believed the argument had started after the man interpreted something as racist, although no clear evidence supported that claim. According to those on board, he became increasingly loud, confrontational, and impossible to reason with. During the removal process, officers stated that he struck another individual, leading to additional criminal charges. Police ultimately arrested him on charges including battery and disorderly intoxication. His international trip ended before the plane even left the gate, and he lost his seat on the flight. Officers informed his family that he would be taken to jail and would need to post bond before being released. Thankfully, after several hours of delay, the aircraft finally departed safely without him. Aviation experts often warn that alcohol-related disturbances become even more dangerous once an aircraft is in the air, where an emergency landing can disrupt hundreds of lives. In the end, one passenger's refusal to control his behavior cost him his freedom, his flight, and turned an ordinary travel day into a lesson that everyone on board would remember.